Okay guys, so this is very effective and most successful experiment for free internet data Wi-Fi anywhere, everywhere. The first thing, I made this video before and now I'm going to show you again. Very simple and easy method. This is two magnets here, one SIM card here. This is copper coil, and here's already coiling behind this aluminum tape foil. I will bring out first. I want to show you the demonstration here. As you can see, okay, should not touch to each other. Okay, just like that, perfect. And here you can see no internet, no data. As you can see here, again it should not be touched. I make just like this because just for experiment. And what I'm going to do, okay, now you can see is I tested the internet speed 21 MB. I'm gonna test again 1 2 3. Yeah, okay, for example, now I'm going to download something here. Let's try. I'm using these apps because you cannot trick these apps, because this is a Google apps, and if you have really data you can download, otherwise it's not going to download. So as you can see, it's downloading quite fast. And here you can see, close this, and here's Amazon, and you can see here everything. When I click, Amazon is going perfectly. Okay, let's close this, and I want to show you how. Okay, the start from here, type C. So any mobile, if you have type C, so you can use type C, or there's a converter, and this is micro USB. If your mobile is micro USB, so you can micro USB, or you have iPhone lightning cable. Okay, I'm going to bring out this connector here. Okay, so story finish from here. This is just the simple connector. I make it pins so easy to connect with any kind of stuff for experiment. Put it here on the side. Okay, let's coming to another thing. Here's the coil. I'm going to open. You can count the ring, how many ring. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19, actually 19, but should be 19. If 20, might be result will be different because this coils. Okay, so I'm bring out this thing. Very simple. This. Okay, when you buy the coil, these nuts will come free together. For example, I give you example. This is less than $1, and you see both have. You can from AliExpress, from China, or from your local market. So this stuff is actually come from this. This is solder coil. Inside they use it. If your solder spoil or something, you can order for fixing or something. Actually, this is how your solder works. I hope you understand very well. So this coil price less than $1, or I think $1 depend on your area. So yeah, and what I do after that, bring out, this is two magnets, the one magnet on the top and one behind the SIM card, and one on the top. So there's two magnets here. Put it on the side, and here is our main aluminum foil tape. Give 2 turns. Simple and easy. Okay. To open and show you. You can see. Okay. Here my simple aluminum foil tape, and here you can see simple and easy stuff. So this method I like it, it's very simple and easy. And now if you see here the phone, everything is come out here and everything is as it is same. If you see, everything is background still running here. Now I'm going to click some link here because there is no internet Wi-Fi device. So for example, I click here and you can see nothing working here now. And if I try to internet speed, as you can see, there's no internet. So yeah, my meaning is it's very simple and easy method, and very still demonstration video for free internet data Wi-Fi. I always says might be it's not work. I never say my method will work 100% because might be it's not work. So I don't want to give fake hope for everyone. You have to be smart, you have to be get the exact items, and your things should be properly done very well. And that's why in my videos I never say that it's gonna be 100% work. And even you can see before I start the video in my demonstration instructions, I write it might be it's not work for many people. So that's why. But even before Google, they delete some of my videos also in the past, and after that I just more careful to making video, and especially the talk, because hope you understand. So these videos are demonstration and might not work, it's just for concept, idea and fun. Hope you understand, right? So this coil, you can make it very simple and easy. You need a battery cell, for example. Hold on. What is the easiest way? You can get this kind of battery cell and you can make a coiling just like this. As you can see, this also exactly the same level, and when I made it like this, like this, like this, and after just bring out and it become coil. So it's not a difficult thing. The tape, you can use normal standard tape also from your home, but the problem is this normal aluminum foil cannot be stick, it will move. So that's why I use a aluminum tape. It's very easy and easy to manage and stick with anywhere, any kind of device. So simple things, simple stuff. Hope you like the video. See you. Comment down if you want to ask something. I hope I will reply as soon as possible. Don't forget to thumbs up.